Hi guys, over in Hobby King. Gonna test out this brand new little Cessna I got from Hobby King a few days ago. Testing it out. Got a 0.5 milliamp battery in there. CG all set up. It's got full rudder control, elevators, and full aileron control. It's a nice little heavy. It's heavy. It's not very thin. They're very thick wings. So let's take a look and see how this thing flies. Cute little plane. All right. Keep it nice and close. Maybe nice little slow flyby. Very stable, perfectly balanced. Whoa, whoa. So we'll make this nice quick video. We'll do a quick little landing and see how well we can land this puppy. There you go. Whoa! Oh, just about tipped it over. Bring it back. Full nose wheel control, so you don't have to chase it down. And that's it. That's a pass guy from Hobby King.